And January 21st, 2025, just an update on the weather. Baton Rouge, Louisiana, it is really coming down now. It's been only 1 hour since the update, and as you can see, we are getting a very substantial piling up of the snow. That's the only way I can describe it. It's not melting, it's not going anywhere, it is just falling. And it's only been 1 hour. My last video, it showed the ground. You could still see the concrete through it, but now we're pretty much just, yeah, it's covered up. The current time is 10:22 a.m. and if this continues on, we might have some issues because I know the infrastructure out here is not designed to handle the weight of the snow. It just isn't. It's not something we have to deal with. It is built up for the hurricanes, but I think that's more, the infrastructure is designed more to handle, wind shocks, but not like constant pressure over time. So we'll see how it works out.